As I said last time, I'm gonna be making that maybe today or tomorrow, but today I'm gonna make it. So enjoy. Man, I am so tired today. What should I do? Well, what I think you should do, I think today you should make Rainbow a cake. A cake? Why would I make her a cake if she's been rude to me like a ton of times? Well, it's always good to like make other people cakes. I mean, I've never seen her be rude to you, never in my life. Well, she has. Why I would like make her a cake. Just please make one. I'm running late to cakes. Can you just please make one? I'm running late. Fine, let's get started. Okay, guys, so today we're gonna be making a cake, rainbow cake. Here we go. First, we're gonna get some. First we're gonna get a bowl, and then let me get the powder out. Let me get the powder. And then we're going to pour some powder. Okay. 3 hours later. She better be done. And guys, if she's not done, comment down below if she's not done. If you don't wake up, what's going on? I fell asleep. Yes, you fell asleep. Get through making that cake. No, I'll make it. Okay, you already add the ingredients. Now all I gotta add is the cake batter. Put it in the oven. Okay, well that's in the oven. Now we should wait here for a couple minutes for it to cook. Okay, so we're gonna wait here a couple minutes for it to cook. Okay, but I'm going to tell you, if it burns, I'm so mad at you. Okay, tell him. Guys, I really hate her so much that I'm just not in the mood today, you know? I always get mad at her for some reason. So yeah, that's it. What was that for? I'm done with the cake. So here you go. Pour the cake in this bowl, please. Right? How come you can't do that? Because I'm not in the mood, right? So yeah. That should do it. You got the cake on the floor. But she won't mind. Spread it. Okay, here we go. Here you go. I want that to be used, okay? Get this to rainbow. Three hours later. Okay, guys. So that's the end of the video. I know you guys didn't like it, but that's the end of the video. I will see you guys later. Bye.